Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are going to launch very important course regarding Islamic faith, practices and socio-moral values. This course is really important for every one of us and every individual wherever he/she belongs to any age group. This is very, very important. This course is an advanced, rational, and pragmatic study of Islamic faith, pillars, practices, and socio-moral principles. The main purpose of this course is to develop in the learners the understanding of Islam is a great religion that teaches us how to how to live a fulfilling life and attain peace, happiness, and bliss here and hereafter. This course significantly improves learners' self-awareness through various exercises to help them reflect on the purpose of life. Learners also learn how to drive the fundamental principles of life from the Holy Quran and Hadith. Various projects and class activities compel learners to think critically and reflectively upon their personal belief systems, values, and learning experience. Special emphasis is on faith development, self-purification, and character building to raise a faithful, ethical, and responsible personality. This course transforms lives to help and achieve true success. Here are the contents of the course. Number 1, role and importance of religion in human life. Number 2, Islam as a deen, religion, its message, meaning, and characteristics. Number 3, Islamic faith, its articles, and its impact. Number 4, Islamic spiritual practices, pillars of Islam, and their impact on individual and social transformation. Number 5, socio-moral teachings of Islam, scope and their impacts. Once we complete this course, every learner would be able to explain the essential beliefs, practices, and socio-moral values of Islam. Every learner would be able to appreciate Islam as a best pathway for holistic well-being. Every participant would have the ability to appraise faith, spirituality, and character for socio-professional success and eternal bliss. Every single member of our course would be able to derive principles of everyday life from the Quran and Sunnah to solve the problem. Everyone would be able to develop social skills to work effectively as a member of the community in a challenging and diverse environment. Everyone would be able to develop self-awareness to explore the purpose of life based on Islamic teachings. This was the introduction of this newly launched course. Therefore, we request you by the end of this session, please, before the next session, by the end of this week, before the 15th of September, I would request you to please record your responses to these questions which are appear in your screen right now. Please send us a video or audio recording of yours on this number which is on your screen, 0332 8421 Here are the questions which we need your responses immediately to improve the standard of our course and to improve the standard and to manage our course according to your need. Number 1, what are the most important skills, features, characteristics, or the topics which you have already learned or you knew from your around or your environment or from your family about the religion of Islam? What are the 5 things you learn or you know? Number 2, how you will use this learning during this course, what we want to learn and what we are offering in this course. Number 3, how you will use the learning of this course in your future. Number 4, what are the major objectives of yours to be part of this course? These are the 4 questions. Please send us audio or record or video recording on this WhatsApp number 0232 8421 824. Thank you very much. See you in next session. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين.